When I first started doing architectural consulting, I didn't have a very clear process for finding work. I found myself spending hours frantically spamming offices, hoping that something would stick. It didn't feel strategic, and I think my results reflected that. And after months of refining my approach, I built a system in Notion that helps me to stay organized, work more strategically, and saves me time. So in this video, I'll show you the very first step in this process. So let me just take you through the system in Notion. So it just takes you through the kind of main phases of applying to find work. The first is kind of all about exploration. There's the actual application kit, your CV and portfolio, and there's this application tracker that I've created, which is really useful for keeping track of how your applications are going. So for today, I'm really just going to be focusing on this very first phase. This is probably the most important step in the whole process. It's all about asking ourselves with this prompt, how can I provide value? And the reason we want to ask ourselves this is because when we think of a potential client or employer, really that's what they're looking for. They're looking for value, because you can get caught up in the weeds of updating your portfolio and CV and stuff like that. But this is a transaction. You are exchanging your time and your services for compensation, and the more value that you can provide, you can charge more, and you will probably find more work more easily. That's why we want to start with this. And the whole process of finding work, you can get lost in it. So I find that by having guiding principles, that can be a very useful thing to go back to if you ever get lost. So yeah, the exercise basically starts with this prompt, which is, how can I provide value? I have just filled this out for myself here. So I have, X number of years experience. But if I am going to try to think strategically about my most valuable service, what I can probably make the most money from and leverage my experience, then what's going to set me apart from people who don't have as much experience would be that I have worked on the later stages of projects. So here in the UK, it would be stage 4, construction document type work. So that's really technical design, coordination, that sort of stuff. Then in terms of software, I've done the most work on projects using Vectorworks. So that kind of leads into the next part of this exercise, which is really about identifying a kind of a niche service. Whether you're applying for just a kind of a traditional job, or in my case, freelance or consulting gig, or identifying a niche is extremely powerful. So in my case, looking at a technical design service using Vectorworks. So then I can start to think, okay, I can now target very specific offices that need this specific service. So if you're struggling to find work, whether it's a job or some sort of consulting gig, I would really suggest trying out this exercise for yourself. So it's really just about asking yourself, how can I provide value? Getting clear on your experience, your skill set, and then trying to establish a kind of a niche service that you can bring. So if you'd like me to share more of my overall system using Notion, let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.